Hello, my name is Ray, and I've had the pleasure of experiencing the Arkana Way for the last 1 week. It is the most blissful and wonderful experience of my lifetime. I am a citizen of the world, and I have traveled all over the world, and I find this place, the Sacred Valley of Peru, is one of the most beautiful and magical places one could ever experience. I highly recommend all to come and visit. You will be changed by your experiences here, especially if you decide to come to Arkana. Arkana presents an interesting way of changing your mind about how you look at the world. The world is a wonderful place, but many of us go through life not really seeing everything that there exists. The Arkana Way is a well-experienced system that allows one to look inward and find peace, happiness, and love. My particular experience was very profound. In fact, I was reborn yesterday in the spirit of the Source. This is a very powerful experience that one can't describe in words. It is the most immense, pleasurable experience one could have, finding out that there is more to life than we see in the material world. So, for those of you who would enjoy finding more, Arkana is the place to do it. You will find more. Each of us finds more in our own way, but you are assured to find a new path. Now, speaking of the system that they have, the system involves the consumption of chemicals, plant chemicals that are purely natural and do not harm the body in any way. As a matter of fact, it has huge health benefits to the physical body as well as the spiritual mind. The experience of the chemicals under the tutelage of these wonderful doctors that they have here, doctors in medicine of the plant of this traditional way, can be described as more powerful and could be the most beautiful experience you would ever live in your life. So I highly recommend it. And if those of you are worried that there's going to be some physical problem or some stigma attached to it, there won't be. You can keep it into yourself and you will truly understand what life is about. You can find the meaning of life at Arkana. So, if you think you want to, please come. Thank you.